Welcome to today's video where we'll be showcasing 12 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner, these gadgets will take your kitchen game to the next level. Stay tuned and make sure to check out all the product links in the description below to get your hands on these must-have gadgets. Let's dive in. Transform your food preservation experience with the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator machine. This state-of-the-art, heavy-duty dehydrator is a must-have for healthy snackers, jerky lovers, and home chefs. Its rear-mounted, high-performance fan delivers 600 watts of power for quick, consistent, and thorough dehydration, distributing heat with precision. No need to rotate the shelves. Designed with an extra-large capacity, it's perfect for large households, offering endless options. It features 10 stainless steel trays capable of holding over 10 pounds of food, a unique hanging rack, a mesh sheet for herbs, nuts, or berries, and 2 fruit leather trays that double as drip trays. The advanced, easy-to-use functions include a precise timer and temperature controls, fast results with raw options, and an automatic shutoff. Plus, the extended keep warm function keeps food fresh and warm for up to 24 hours. With built-in overheating protection, ETL approval, and dishwasher-safe trays, the Magic Mill ensures years of seamless culinary delight. Revolutionize your cooking with the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, a portable all-in-one cooking system that blends convenience, functionality, and style. With the Ninja Crispi portable cooking system, you get the power of a full-size air fryer in the palm of your hand. It's perfect for quick meals at the office or crispy party favorites, and even soggy leftovers get a fresh, delicious upgrade. Featuring 6-cup and 4-quart glass attachments, this system is versatile, compact, and easy to store. The Ninja Crispi portable cooking system makes everyday cooking effortless and enjoyable. Make healthy desserts effortlessly with the Yonanas Classic Soft Serve Maker. This 200-watt machine turns frozen fruit into creamy, vegan soft serve or sorbet without added fat, sugar, or preservatives. Perfect for creating keto, non-dairy, and vegan treats, or use the 36 included recipes to craft pies, parfaits, and more. The Yonanas serves single portions or enough to satisfy the whole family. It's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy guilt-free homemade frozen desserts anytime with the Yonanas Classic Soft Serve Maker. Upgrade your trimming game with the LM Products Silver Skin Knife Set, engineered for precision, safety, and versatility. Effortlessly remove silver skin with its innovative design, featuring 2 sets of reciprocating blades and removable guide bars that allow for easy swapping and precise depth control. The depth bars ensure you can control the cut with confidence, while the angled meat grip and silver skin snag pliers make the process smoother and more efficient. For added safety, the set includes cut-resistant gloves and a secure locking mechanism for the blades. Everything comes neatly packed in a custom-fitted case, ensuring your tools are always organized and ready to go. Effortlessly open any jar with the Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener. Simple, powerful, and powered by 2 AA batteries, it automatically opens jars with lids up to 3.5 inches wide. Essential for those with limited grip strength, this opener automatically removes and releases the lid with ease. Its powerful high-torque motor makes it suitable for small or large jars and lids. No more struggling to open jars. Just press a button and let the opener do the work. Compact design allows for easy storage. The Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener is a must-have kitchen tool. Elevate your wine experience with the Tomim Rechargeable Electric Wine Opener Set. This sleek set includes a corkscrew, aerator, and vacuum stoppers, perfect for any wine lover. Fast charging in just 1 hour, the opener effortlessly removes corks in 6 seconds. The automatic wine aerator enhances flavors with optimal oxygenation, while the vacuum sealing preserves your wine for up to 7 days. Whether for home or outdoor parties, this set brings convenience and sophistication to every bottle. Keep your microwave clean with the Hover Cover 2.0 Magnetic Splatter Cover. This larger cover features strong microwave-safe magnets that attach to the ceiling, preventing splatters. Easy grip handles and steam vents ensure moisture escapes during cooking. It fits most standard microwaves, covering plates and bowls up to 12 inches. Made from BPA-free, food-safe materials, it can withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Before purchasing, check your microwave's compatibility by watching the pre-order video. Enjoy a mess-free microwave with the Hover Cover 2.0, backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Make delicious mini donuts in minutes with the Dash Mini Donut Maker machine. Perfect for kids and families, it creates 7 donuts at a time. Whether using cake, brownie, or other batter, it's quick and easy. Simply plug in, pour, and you're done. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, and the compact design fits any kitchen. Ideal for breakfast, snacks, or entertaining, it's a great gift for weddings, new homes, or any occasion. With 760 watts of power, it's a fun, convenient appliance that offers endless donut-making possibilities. Enjoy the fun with the Dash Mini Donut Maker. Create delicious cake pops easily with the Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker. This simple, easy-to-use machine bakes 9 cake pops at once, featuring non-stick coating, non-skid feet, and a power light for added convenience. The machine comes with cake pop recipes to get you started right away. Perfect for a fun, sweet treat, the Baby Cakes Maker offers a latching handle for safety and is made to be used at home. Enjoy homemade cake pops with Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker. Create perfect pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, and more with the Pancake Batter Dispenser. Enjoy breakfast perfection poured with ease, making quicker cupcakes and other baked goods with no mess. Crafting fluffy cakes has never been easier with this reliable design, meeting superior quality for every use. The dual measurements ensure precise cooking, so you get consistent results every time. With a convenient shut-off valve, you can avoid drips and mess. The easy-to-clean design requires only hand washing, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Elevate your baking game with the Pancake Batter Dispenser. Make perfect omelets and snacks with the Elite Gourmet Non-Stick Omelet Maker. With its power and ready indicator light, this maker ensures fast, fresh, and easy cooking every time. Create delicious, fluffy omelets in minutes without the mess, thanks to the non-stick cooking surface. But it's not just for omelets. Use it to make pizza pockets, sandwiches, quiches, and even desserts. Cleanup is a cinch, and the easy wrap cord storage keeps your kitchen neat. The Elite Non-Stick Omelet Maker is the ideal kitchen companion for quick, tasty meals, whether for breakfast or a snack. Slice with precision and ease using the J-Var onion holder for slicing. This multifunctional tool features 10 stainless steel forks for a secure, slip-free grip. Perfect for onions, tomatoes, lemons, avocados, and meats, it ensures even cuts every time. The ergonomic design makes slicing easy, while the sharp blades prevent slippage for safety. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Make slicing effortless with J-Var onion holder. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these kitchen gadgets as exciting as we did. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. All the product links are in the description below, so you can easily grab your favorites. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.